If small and little hairs are a problem for you when you do your ponytails or when you do your hair, then mud hair, my free sample, I absolutely love it. So let me tell you why. I got mine today, and all I have to do is smells amazing. By the way, brush off, brush away those itty bitty tiny hairs that are growing, um, that are a little bit frizzy, unruly. I want to just go like that and see the difference between my hair. So in the morning or when I go out, I like to have my hair organized. And this just does it. Like as you can see here, those little hairs, they absolutely go back in place. And one of the things that I like is that in the ingredients, they don't have harsh chemicals. On the contrary, this nourishes your hair and it doesn't mistreat the baby hairs that are coming out. So I think this is a great thing to have, and I just love it. You see the difference, the before and after, how it looks with it. I like it. It smells amazing. I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching.